Mawalang galang na po. Excuse me. Mawalang galang na po. Paumanhin po. Excuse me or pardon me or I'm sorry. Paumanhin po. Makikiraan po. Excuse me, passing through. Like if you're passing through people talking, makikiraan po. May I pass or excuse me? Excuse me po. Excuse me in English, the po is a polite marker. So excuse me po. Excuse me po. Sandali lang po. Just a moment or excuse me for a while. Sandali lang po. Pwede po ba kayong makausap? May I speak with you? Pwede po ba kayong makausap? Pasintabi po. Excuse me or asking permission, polite way. Pasintabi po. Sorry po sa istorbo. Excuse me for the disturbance or pasensya na po sa istorbo. Pwedeng makisabay. May I come along or may I tag along? Pwedeng makisabay. May I interrupt po? So may I interrupt and then the po is like the polite marker in a way. May I interrupt po?